Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of 7th standard, I am very glad to invite you to the online class, third episode of our Islamic studies. Okay, I believe that you have watched and studied well the first and second video. If anybody missed it, please watch first and second video. It is a must. Then only we can go to the third episode, because it is a step by step continuation, Okay, now we had studied in second video the first lesson. In that first lesson we have studied the remedies for impure mind. In that poem we have studied Lisalamati Dunya Khisalun Arba'un. There are four solutions, four habits to cure or to protect from the depressions and worries of life. Okay, then we studied the first one. Now we are going to the second remedy or second solution, second habit. That is, we can study in this episode, third and fourth. Okay, thank you. Then you can go on the watching this video. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafi rasulillah. Okay, inshallah we can go to the lesson. All of you take lesson, page number 5. لسلامة الدنيا خصال أربع غفر لجهل القوم منعك تجهلا وتكون من سيب الأناس آيسا ولسيب نفسك للأناس باذلا. Dear students, we are going to the second solution, second habit for the betterment and tensionless life is that Ghafrul Jahilil Qawmi. It was the first one, that you should excuse to the ignorance of the people. Now the second one is that man'uka tajhala. Man'uka, you should stop. You should stop. Tajhala. Tajhala meaning the ignorance. You should stop your own ignorance. You should be keep away of injustice and ignorance. That is the second one. Okay. Then another meaning is that man'uka tajhala. Man'uka, you should be keep away. Tajhala, from the ignorance and from the injustice. Okay. Keep away from injustice. That is the second one. Okay. The another idea we are getting from that is that if any injustice and ignorance you may happen from the people, you should be away from that people, those people also. That is the another idea, another understanding from the man'uka tajhala. Okay, direct meaning man'uka, you should stop, you should prohibit. Tajhala, your own ignorance from the people. That is the second one. The third one, watakuna min saibil unasi. All of you point with your finger. Watakuna, you should be. You should become aisan. Aisan meaning free, independent. Min saibil unasi. Saib meaning we can say charity or gift or some help, assistance. Unasi, people, our neighbors, friends, also. So there are so many people around us. We should be independent of them. We should be free from their helps and assistance. Particular assistance and help from their gift. Okay, if any gift you received from people, you will be their slave. You will be compelled to adopt their thoughts and their decisions. Okay, that is the third one. Zainuddin Makhdum radiallahu anhu suggests us to follow up in our life to make a happy life, a peaceful life is that watakuna, you should become min saibil unasi, from the favor of people, aisan, free, independent. Walisaibi nafsika, fourth one, you look, walisaibi nafsika, walisaibi, for the charity, nafsika, your own, the charity from your side, the givings from your side, the gifts from your side, the favor from your side. Lil unasi, for the people, badilan, you should become badilan. Watakuna is just returning into here. Watakuna badilan, you should be one who spent more. You should give people more. You should help your neighbors, friends, etc. The people around you, you should help them. You should give them more and more. That is the last one. Then their injustice and their wrong habit, you can prohibit. You can, what we can say, you can make it less. Okay, then these are the four solutions for habits that we have to follow up in our daily life. Okay, once more, if I repeat, please note. Li salamati dunya, for the peaceful life in this world, khisalun arba'un, there are four solutions. Ghafrul li jahlil qawmi, one is to excuse the people. Man'uka tajhala, and second one is you stop your own ignorance. Watakuna min saibil unasi ayisa, and you should become free from, independent from the favor of the people. Wali saibi nafsika lil unasi badila, and you should spend for the people more from your charity and up to your economic fitness. Okay, these four things are the key habits of for making our life very peaceful. Okay, thank you for listening me. And my dear students, you just pause video and rest your mind for 2 or 3 minutes, then take the lesson part. We can just read the meaning given in the textbook. Okay, read. There are 4 habits to be practiced for peace and security of the world. There are 4 habits to be practiced for peace and security of the world. A. Please read. To excuse the injustice of others. To excuse the injustice of others. B. To keep yourself away from injustice. To keep yourself away from injustice. C. Not to expect favor from others. Not to expect favor from others. D. To do favor to others. To do favor to others. Okay, my dear students, you read again and again and practice it, and try to study our poem by heart. It will be helpful to remind it in your mind forever, and to recall it from your future life. Okay, then thank you. Then we have to check the activity side of this first two stanza. You just take page number 6. In page number 6, activity said read the following. 3 words are there to understand the meanings. Okay. 1. Salamatun, security. 2. Saibun, favor. 3. Dawaun, remedy, medicine. The extra meaning: salamatun, peacefulness, protection, happiness, etc. Saibun, favor, earnings, gifts, charity, etc. Dawaun, remedy, medicine, solution, etc. Okay, you practice it very well. Okay, we can go to the question answer set after the completion of the lesson. Okay, now we are going to the next stanza. I just read for you in this video. We can have the more study in the next class. Okay, you look at the book. ودواء قلب 5 فتلاوة بتدبر المعنى وللبطن الخلا وقيام ليل والتضرع بالسحر ومجالسات الصالحين الفضلاء. Once more. ودواء قلب 5 فتلاوة بتدبر المعنى وللبطن الخلا وقيام الليل والتضرع بالسهر ومجالسات الصالحين الفضلاء. Okay, thank you my students very much. You practice these 2 stanzas also very well and try to by heart. Very simple. And we can study the explanation in the next class. Okay, happy new Islamic class in academic year for you. Okay, thank you very much. Inshallah, we can see you in the next class. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.